Hi all, in this video we will discuss about social bookmarking. Social bookmarking comprises of two words. First, social, that means public, and second is bookmarking, which means to save something. So collectively, social bookmarking means to save something publicly. By something, I mean that it could be either the URL of a website or a web page or a product or a blog or a short content also. Social bookmarking are online based websites that has huge number of visitors visiting daily on their website, and if you have any link or any content that you think should be publicly available and will be helpful to lot of peoples, then you can share that link or share that content publicly on social bookmarking sites. On social bookmarking sites, you just need to sign up and submit the URL of your web page and a catchy title that can get a visitor's idea that what this link or what this content is all about. On the social bookmarking sites, there are lot of visitors visiting daily, and due to that you can also get an idea that what is the most hottest and trending topic on a particular niche. Suppose if you are running a fashion website, through social bookmarking websites you can also get an idea that what is the most discussed topic on the fashion niche, and accordingly you can write the blog on your web page or upload the product related to that topic on your web page and get a high quality backlink through that websites, converting that visitor into leads or sales. Social bookmarking websites should not be spammed like directory submissions and search engine submissions, otherwise you may get banned on the search engines. So this was all about social bookmarking. I hope you have got an idea that through social bookmarking you can earn lot of backlinks that are of high quality and from targeted visitors. If you have any questions, you can pass your questions in the comment box below and we will try to respond you as soon as possible. Lastly, we are presenting you list of some of the most popular social bookmarking sites that can help you boost your Google rankings or search engine rankings at a very faster and speedy pace. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice time ahead. Bye bye for now.